Bro, there's like a dog down there. There's a dog down there, and me and Robert over here.
Dog down there.
Like me and Robert's over here. Make sure to subscribe to give us good luck and like the video. He recording over there too.
He's recording on his phone.
Now let's go, nigga. Let's go. Let's go. I'm trying to record this. Oh shoot, he right there. We ain't trying to do this because he just chased us earlier. Like, let's try to get enough speed. Let's try to get speed. Come on. Yeah, we gonna get some speed real quick. Yeah, people. We gonna get some speed. I'm trying to vlog this on my channel, bro. This stuff's scary. Come on, fool. Come on. I'm recording it. Come on. Well, I'm going, Robert. I'm gonna record this for you guys. Let's go. Oh, Sean chasing at me. Bro. Robert's all the way down there, bro. Hey. And we gonna go back around and get my homie Robert. Shoot. Okay, the dog's in there. You gonna go back to Robert right now. Shit. Oh, man, this video right here, guys. He almost got us. Luckily, he didn't. And guys, peace out.